Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. I found these baking dishes that look like football shapes and I thought of a great organic idea for you football lovers. Serve these at your next gathering. Your guests will love the taste and most of all, they're nutritious and healthy. We're going to make puff pastry footballs filled with organic hot dogs cut up, combined with cheese and herbs. Ingredients are puff pastry, organic hot dogs, cheese, herbs, I'm using oregano, etc. And for the topping, organic tomato sauce or ketchup and Dijon mustard. Step 1. Preheat oven on fan bake 180 degrees. Get the pastry ready or make more from my other simple video and measure roughly the same shape as the baking tray. Then place the bottom layer inside the tray. Make sure it's pressed down to the bottom and sits flush with the tray. Cut excess pastry, leaving a bit on top to squish the layers together. I'll show you one, then you just repeat the steps in order to save time making lots more. Step 2. Slice the hot dogs and place them in, then add cheese, I'm using cheddar, sprinkle with oregano and whatever herbs you like, and whatever else you like to add. Mine's basic, I think that tastes the best to overpower the dish. You need to overfill the bottom pastry with stuffing so the top layer makes a semi-dome to look somewhat like a football. Step 3. Now place a second layer of puff pastry on top and with kitchen scissors or a knife cut around the top layer, then gently press the two pastries together and with a fork or a knife make holes in the top so they breathe while they're baking. Then place in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Step 4. While they're baking, combine tomato sauce and mustard in a bowl, mixing it with a spoon. Then place in a piping bag inside a cup to catch any dribbles. And place small bowls of mustard, tomato sauce if they want more sauce to dip in. Step 5. Look how beautiful it turned out. We can call them real footy pies, not like the store-bought ones. Who knows what filling they use. Now grab the piping bag, be careful not to dribble by holding the bag sideways. Then squirt a few lines in the center of the ball and you're done. Prepare puff pastry sheets the night before and freeze them so you can quickly make this beautifully tasting meal. And you can enjoy this healthy meal on game day with your buddies. Be seeing you.